Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss, and we're starting out our driving video right here at the Price Right Town Center. Alright, so we're coming off the Meadowbrook main road right here in the Meadowbrook community, and we're going to head on to Roehampton Drive and head up to Mannings Road. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of June 2021. We need about 1,300 subscribers when this video is being shot. But I know you guys can help, so remember to share, remember to like, remember to comment as well. So the Roehampton community, Roehampton Drive, heading to Mannings Road, and we're coming from Price Right in the community of Meadowbrook. So haven't done any driving video for a while, so just picking up back on some driving video for you guys. I know we did quite a few. So we have Roehampton Suites on the right, not yet fully completed. Right, so we've done quite a few drone videos in recent time. So picking up back on the driving videos, the community drives, the city drives, along with other videos as well. So we just try to keep the content versatile for you guys. So again guys, remember to comment, like, share. That helps the channel to grow, and that's what we're looking for. Very lovely house right here, multi-dwelling property. Let me show you guys a good glimpse. 2 floors. I like the colors, I like the design. I would just copy this just for myself. Honestly, I love it. What do you guys think? Now we have the garbage truck in front of us, keeping the community clean. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to go around him. And in all honesty, where I live in Kingston, the garbage truck does come very frequent. So Roehampton close in front of us. Yeah, so the garbage truck does come very often where I live. No complaints there, but I know for some inner city community, based on the lane size and the narrowness of some of the inner city garrison communities, you know, garbage collection may not be the very best, which needs to be improved. I don't know what solution they can create. You know, some persons say a centralized, you know, bin, but then persons would have to carry all the garbage there, which may not be easy. Some persons say smaller trucks, but I'm sure they can brainstorm a solution if they wanna. So another community drive from Meadowbrook to Roehampton to Mannings Road. Stay tuned and enjoy the drive. so we're basically on Mannings Road now. We're gonna stop by a plaza that's close by. That's where we're gonna end the video. Right here can be a little bit trafficy because there's no stoplight, and then person have to give you a blight to come onto Mannings Road, and you can be there waiting for a while. And this lane on the left too, sometimes traffic really backs up on it. Even right now, about 20 vehicles waiting to come out. So Midway Mall, Mannings Road, that's where we're stopping today. Have to look out for the pedestrians. Sometimes we ignore them, don't see them. So Midway Mall, a lot of different shops, from barber to nails, hair, dental, pharmacy, doctor. What did I miss? Variety store, clothes store, wholesale. So this is like the Mannings, one of their little town center, right here on Mannings Road. So that's where we're heading. That's where we're ending the video as well. Just highlighting this plaza for you guys, Midway Mall. I've never covered it before. So we have the pharmacy, Variety Beauty, electronics store, restaurant, bar. So you name it, just a little town center right here. They also have a tasty patty outlet in their community, so that's really good. Alright guys, so we know the drill. You guys have been really great in supporting the Rush Raymore movement, the Rush Raymore channel. Keep supporting, keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, subscribing, sharing on your status, on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Oh, that really do help the channel. I know some persons do share in monetary form via PayPal. We have a PayPal link in the description of the channel, because you know these videos does cost. So thanks for sharing guys, really appreciate it. And thanks for being a part of the channel. See you on another video guys. Alright, so I'm gonna do a next